Mate on NixOS May 2024 version. Not too many operating systems or Linux distributions using Mate as their desktop environment, but let's have a look at what we do have. So where is it ranked? And on NixOS, it is the best performer with Mate. 1.28.2, so not the oldest version. I don't know what's going on with Parrot. They're using a very old version on their security-focused Linux distribution. And the performance is much worse. I guess not as bad as OpenIndiana, but their version is more up-to-date. But with NixOS, for a desktop environment in 337 megs, that's not too bad. That's pretty reasonable. Sassafras, like a catnip. Clearly not as good as Hannah Montana Linux. Oh, well, 337 megs. That's a tie, but the system load is higher. So the win goes to Hannah Montana Linux. Generally, if you're going to be running a Linux distribution or operating system, you might want to perform better than Hannah Montana Linux from 15 years ago. 2009. Disk usage is high, but that's just how NixOS is. And then 16-second reboot time. Not the worst, not great. So for desktop environments, that's all right. It's a fork of GNOME, so it is similar. You could run LXQT, which is better for performance, but if you prefer more of a GNOME layout, then Mate's not so bad. This would be a lot better if Alpine kept their version up to date. So Alpine does offer Mate, but the reason it's not here benchmarked is because the version is too old. It's more than a year old. So if that does get updated, that can get tested on Alpine, and this one will probably be removed, this benchmark. There you go, Mate. When you mate on my mate, I mate on your mate. Shutdown, restart. Snappy shutdown. Again, we got 5 seconds on the clock for grub. And we're booting up. We got a log output. How beautiful is that? Oh, that mouse! Oversized mouse! Now we got a regular mouse. And I feel a little inadequate. Thanks, Mate.